Annual ryegrass is a highly adaptable plant. It's often selected as a turf cover for farmland, but it can spread beyond its intended boundaries to become weeds on other properties. In this video, we'll go over how to identify and inspect for annual ryegrass weeds and how to control them. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Annual ryegrass grows in clumps. The grass blades grow up to 8 inches in height and up to 1/4 of an inch in width. The lower facing surfaces are glossy and the plant as a whole is hairless. When mature, this plant grows stems up to 3 feet in height. On the stem, the inflorescence, or the flowering structure, makes up about 1 foot, with each spikelet having 3 to 9 flowers. Annual ryegrass looks very similar to perennial ryegrass. To tell the difference, know that annual ryegrass has a reddish base. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Annual ryegrass germinates and emerges during autumn and early winter. This plant needs wet soil with good surface drainage and a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. These weeds won't be able to live through hot, dry weather or severe winters. Be on the lookout for clumps of discolored turf. Common sites where this weed grows include lawns, grasslands, roadsides, and other disturbed areas. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. If you're situated in the southern United States with warm season grasses, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. This herbicide offers the selective control of weeds in warm season turf. For spot applications, mix 0.2 ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when making applications over St. Augustinegrass, Bermudagrass, or Zoysiagrass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. If annual ryegrass is growing in cool season turf, or where plants shouldn't be, like on sidewalks or other paved areas, then consider a non-selective herbicide like Eraser 41% Glyphosate. This non-selective herbicide will kill any plant it is applied to. Just mix 2.5 fluid ounces of Eraser into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. For either of these products, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. If using Eraser, be sure to label your sprayer explicitly for non-selective herbicide use to prevent cross-contamination in the future. Spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. A reapplication with Fahrenheit may be made after 4 to 6 weeks. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. If you're situated in the northern United States with cool season grasses, then we also recommend Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel Turf Herbicide is a suspended concentrate made with sulfentrazone. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent annual ryegrass from growing in cool season turf, mix 4 to 8 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. You may also want to apply over warm season turf at the mix rate of 8 to 12 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. Due to this product's high volume applications, high capacity equipment like a spray rig may be necessary. Once your product is thoroughly mixed, broadcast your solution evenly over the area. This application should be done when the targeted weeds have not yet sprouted. If seedlings have already emerged, then you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide as discussed earlier. In addition to pre-emergent products, we also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop annual ryegrass from spreading, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.